Well, we're here at Bellagio leaving on a rainy day. Today's September 15th, I think. And we're shooting a little video here on the ferry. What do you think, Janet?
That's beautiful. Even in the rain, it's beautiful.
Even in the rain. Look at that, yeah.
We stayed at the Hotel du Lac.
We stayed there at the Hotel du Lac. Room 61 is fantastic.
There's the other hotel, the Grand Hotel.
Yeah, the Sette Balloni. Sette Balloni, yeah. That's the one with the swimming pool. Bye-bye Bellagio. Here on the Car Guide Tour 2016. After the first tour, now we're going back to Como, and the rest of the group is arriving. And we're here on the ferry.
Ciao.
Say goodbye to Bellagio. Bye-bye. This is Frank Mandarano saying ciao.